Hello friends, welcome to my channel Saira's Creations, and today I'm here with another sewing project. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make placemat. As you can see, I have created this beautiful placemat with the Dollar Tree kitchen towel, and I have used this plates from Walmart, which is one full yard and is a pretty good size. If you follow my channel and if you see my previous videos, I had to teach you one time about placemat, but we had to use fabric on a back side. But this time we are using this beautiful thick fleece, which is giving extra thick look to our placemat, and you no need to add any thing in the center like a bedding or any thick fabric. This project is so easy and quick to do, and with the two kitchen towels you can create 4 beautiful placemats. So let's head on to the project. Alright, so the first thing which we are doing, simply just folding. As you can see, our kitchen towel is pretty long. In my previous video I had to use a full long kitchen towel because I was using that one for long table work, because these are placemats. So I just gonna cut in half. Alright, after cutting half, then we also gonna cut these edges from the side, and then we're gonna cut our fleece, which I already have 2 pieces here. After cutting edges too, as you can see, the backing is bigger than my front fabric. Take like a 2 fingers, or how much you want more, like from a side folding you can cut extra fabric. Alright, are we just gonna do folded? You no need to do double fold because this piece is already thick, and all stitches will just like dig inside. So and that's it. Just pin up, and now we gonna do the stitching. Pin up all my both fabrics. Now it's time to stitch, and simply I just have my. I should show you. I'm using the straight stitch.
more creative by using laces around. If you like it, it's depending how much material you want to put on your placemats. But overall, it's look very pretty, and as you can see, I have created 4 placemats.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting my YouTube channel Saira's Creations. As you can see, today we have made a beautiful spring placemats which turn out very pretty. Either way, back and front, they are usable on both sides. So if you really like our today video and you are looking forward to I post more DIY and sewing projects, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Saira's Creations and like this video, share with your friends. I wish you a very blessed season. God bless you all. Bye.